How's everybody today? I hope you are having a marvelous day. Today's craft, look, I tore my glove already. Today's craft is going to be epoxy. I got part A and I have part B. And we're supposed to mix it up by weight, okay? 1 part to 1 part. I have a scale here. 9.95 ounces. That one's a little bit heavier. 0.99. Okay. They're close, but we're going to do this, okay? We're going to take some part A, and we gotta mix equal parts to it. And we mixed it by weight, not by measurements, okay? And I think that's a big thing with this. Now we're going to pour part B. Let me get, and I'm using silicone cups because they wash out. Okay, got a little spoon. We've got all of that part in there. Now we're going to add this other part. Okay. We will mix it up. That's perfect. Okay, now we're stirring it. We're going to stir it, get all the bubbles out. Okay. Now what I'm going to do with these keychains, I'm making keychains, is I'm going to either give them away or raffle them off. So you guys can be sure to get a keychain. Now I take the epoxy and I have a mold right here. Okay. And what I'm going to do is pour it in. I have to work on the camera a little bit. Okay, I'm going to pour it into each of the places. Let me get my spoon. Kind of scrape some of this out. Okay. Now I have my mold filled. Not completely. Let me see if I can show you. Okay. Let me take these off before I mess with that apparatus. Okay, I'm going to take this down real quick and show you what I've got. Is my epoxy in the molds. Oh! And I'm going to let it sit for a little while, and then we'll come back. Talk to you later. Bye.